Hey math fans! Welcome back to Math Olympiad Academy, your gateway to advanced problem solving and mathematical reasoning. In Lesson 12, we discover another scary-looking limit, made easy with a clear step-by-step approach. Our goal is to determine the limit, as x approaches 0, of the following expression: 1 plus alpha times the sine of beta times x divided by cosine x, all raised to the power of 1 over x, where alpha and beta are non-zero real constants. Choose the answer that fits. Is it 1 e to the power alpha over beta or e to the power alpha times beta? Take a moment to think, then answer. You have 5 seconds. Great, dear students! At first glance, this expression looks like a 1 to infinity form. That is why many students guess that the limit is 1. However, this is not correct, so avoid this common mistake. Remember, 1 to infinity is an indeterminate form, not a final answer. To find the limit correctly and quickly, we solve this problem without Taylor series and without logarithms, as we did in our previous Math Skills Lesson 10. We use only standard limits and a clever, academic rewriting of the expression. Let us now present our proposed solution. First, recall that when x approaches 0, the sine of beta times x divided by beta times x approaches 1, and cosine x also approaches 1. So the expression alpha times the sine of beta times x divided by cosine x can be rewritten as alpha times beta times x multiplied by the sine of beta times x over beta times x and multiplied by 1 over cosine x. As x approaches 0, the sine of beta times x over beta times x approaches 1 and cosine x approaches 1. Therefore, this expression approaches alpha times beta times x. So, the entire expression becomes 1 plus alpha times beta times x. Now we raise this expression to the power of 1 over x and take the limit as x approaches 0. At this point, recall the standard limit. 1 plus k times x, all raised to the power of 1 over x, approaches e to the power k. Here, in our case, k is alpha times beta. Therefore, the limit of our original expression, 1 plus alpha times the sine of beta times x divided by cosine x, all raised to the power of 1 over x, as x approaches 0, is e to the power alpha times beta. In conclusion, the correct answer is e to the power alpha times beta. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step solution. Keep practicing, share this lesson with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Math Olympiad Academy for more exciting math challenges. See you in the next lesson!